Do you know why Gojo always considered more stronger than Yuji Ikaguri? I mean, the main character of Jujutsu Kaisen is Yuji, not Gojo. But even that Gojo considered more stronger than the stronger the character of Jujutsu Kaisen. I mean, why? So in this video, I'm gonna talk about. So without time wasting, I'm starting the video. So I'm just starting with number 1. Okay, so number 1 is the space time. Okay, so this is the Gojo strongest power ever. Okay, so Gojo literally, I mean, if you don't know, Gojo can literally control the space. I mean, it's impossible to control space, but Gojo is a god type of power. Okay, Gojo has some god type of power, and because of this, Gojo can control space. Okay, so because of if he controls space, the opponent can't catch Gojo. Okay, I mean, you can't literally catch Gojo. If Gojo having a fight with his opponent can't catch him. If Gojo use this space time technique, also you can say limitless technique. Okay, this technique name is okay. So definitely, if Gojo use this space time technique, and Gojo can literally control the space, and no one can literally defeat Gojo in this power. Okay, if Gojo use this power, so definitely this power is so insane. And if somehow Gojo can use this power against Sukuna, so yes, definitely Sukuna can be defeated. Okay, can be defeated, but it's like already Gojo is guide. So yeah, but yeah, this power is so definitely the greatest power ever. Now I'm gonna talk about number 2. So number 2, this is the most famous power of Gojo, and this is my favorite power of Gojo. Okay, so this is the domain expansion. You can say infinite void as well. Okay, so in this power, literally Gojo can trap any opponent. Okay, in a space. This is also a space type power, but this is not a space type. This is other. Okay, it's like some trap, space type of trap. Okay, so if any opponent literally going to fight with Gojo, and Gojo use that power in like void, or you can say domain expansion, literally Gojo can literally hack that guy brain. Okay, Gojo literally, in a simple way, Gojo can literally hack that his opponent brain. Okay, so definitely opponents going to be tough situation. I mean, you can't literally catch Gojo in this power as well. Okay, if literally Gojo can use domain expansion. Domain expansion is like some crap. It's like a genjutsu of Itachi type of shit. Okay, but yeah, this is the second strongest power ever, and this is why Gojo considers so strongest. Now I'm gonna okay. So number 3, I'm gonna talk about 6 eyes. I mean, just try to understand 6 eye. I'm gonna talk you. Dex power is a god type of power. Okay, in this power, and this power, by the way, the rarest power ever in Jujutsu Kaisen. Okay, so Gojo has this power of 6 eyes. Okay, if I explain this power in easy way, this power is a curse type of power. Okay, this is the curse power. Okay, so if somehow Gojo in a battlefield, okay, use this power 6 eye, Gojo can literally fight longer. Okay, the duration of the fight increase. Okay, Gojo's stamina increase, and Gojo can't be defeated easily. Okay, Gojo literally become so machine gun type of. Okay, he doesn't literally exhaust. He literally fight more time. Okay, more literally he can literally fight like a month. Okay, without literally exhaustion because of 6 eyes. 6 eyes is a god type of power, and this is the curse type of power. Okay, so this is the reason why Gojo is strong. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about number 4. Okay, now number 4, I'm gonna talk about Gojo's natural energy. Okay, so Gojo has some natural energy. Okay, why I'm saying, because Gojo is naturally he's the strongest. Okay, in a childhood. Okay, he's so strongest. So Gojo is not just a smart, he's also fast. He has a stronger everything, strength, everything. Okay, even literally he can fight stronger and more precision without any using power of like domain expansion, etc. I mean, he's a natural god gifted. Okay, he's a stronger already. Okay, he's literally stronger than ever. Okay, it's natural. You can't literally defeat him. And definitely, he knows how to fight. He literally trained. He's a teacher in the Jujutsu Kaisen. I mean, he literally teaches his student how to fight, how to become a Jujutsu king. Okay, so definitely he's a king. Okay, and for me, he's a main character, not Yuji Kaguri. I mean, yeah, definitely I don't know how Sukuna defeated Gojo. I mean, it's not, it makes sense. Okay, definitely. So this is the 4th reason. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about number 5. Okay, so this is the number 5, or I say this is the number 1. Okay, this is the Gojo's brain. I mean, if you have definitely infinite power, it doesn't matter. If you have good brain, you can defeat any opponent, okay? It doesn't matter how stronger is your opponent. And Gojo has a good brain as well, okay? He knows, I mean, he literally, if he fight with any opponent in a battlefield, he literally make a strategy while fighting, okay? He knows how to fight. I mean, he always literally looks happy. He doesn't feel any anxiety. When he fight, he literally make a strategy how to defeat guy. He knows, okay? His brain literally so fast, okay? So definitely, and with any opponent, Gojo can literally adapt and fight, okay? If literally Sukuna fighting with Gojo, literally Gojo can adapt this kind of Sukuna. So he knows how to fight with that enemy, how to defeat this enemy, okay? So Gojo is a smart. He knows how to fight and defeat this enemy. Gojo can literally adapt the opponent power, okay? I mean, not just he grab, he just literally see and just observing how this guy fighting, how this guy literally have this power, and after some second literally Gojo can create a counter and literally fight and defeat that enemy. So Gojo has a good brain, okay? And literally Gojo can do this everything in just a second. So Gojo brain is superior and he has a superior powers as well. So Gojo definitely overall has a God type of power. He is literally superior, okay? That's why he's my favorite. So this is the 5 main reasons why Gojo literally undefeated and he's so strong. I mean, yeah, Sukuna somehow defeated Gojo, but for me Gojo is a number 1, okay? So now I'm gonna end in this video. If you like that video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Tata, bye bye. And yes, if you have any video idea, you can tell me. I'm gonna make a video on that, okay? So definitely I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Bye bye.